So, right now I'm in the heart of the New Forest and I'm completely surrounded by open land, and today I'm going to be trying out my new minimalist camping kit. So it's very minimalist to the point where it's uncomfortable and borderline homeless, but we're going to give it a go and see what happens. Okay, so it's early evening time and I think I found the perfect camping spot. It's on a locked off road, so I doubt I'm going to be disturbed, but if I am, we'll deal with that when I come to it. But for now, let's show you my new minimalist camping kit. So, I've named this minimalist setup my frying pan setup, and that's because 90% of my equipment sits in the frying pan. I've also got a shelter with tent pegs, I've got a bag to collect water, and I've got tonight's food. So that is everything. Right, so inside my frying pan, I've got an emergency sleeping bag, I've got a torch, obviously I've got the frying pan itself, and then in this little stove device, I've got water purification tablets, I've got a knife, some cord, a lighter, and we're running a 5 candle power stove, so 5 tea light candle power. I hope it works. So I'm actually pretty happy with this. It's fairly comfortable, there's enough room to move around. The bike's leaning the other way so it won't fall on me. Yeah, let's get dinner on. Okay, so what I've got today is bacon and egg. So open up this bacon, all nicely chopped, and hopefully this will get hot enough to cook. So, as you can probably tell, it's getting very dark now, so I've chosen this particular cooking method because I know it takes a very long time, and I've got time to kill, so in the meantime I'm going to have a little walk about, see what's in the area, and of course collect some water. So yeah, let's go get a drink. Okay, that's not too bad. So what I'm going to do now, while that's still there, so I'm going to take one of these water purification tablets. These are designed for 1 litre of water. Now obviously that's a lot less than a litre, and that's solely to be on the safe side. So what you do is you take this chlorine tablet and just drop it in the water. If you can see that there, it's just going to settle on the bottom there. To be fair, the water's surprisingly clear, so I hope it's not too bad. Well, that definitely smells good, which is more than I can say for this, which I'm really not happy about, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So right now that smells like a swimming pool. And it tastes like a swimming pool. It's got some sort of sediment in it, but we'll find out tomorrow morning or in the middle of the night if it's safe or not. I think I got a bit of stone there. Save that for later. Okay, so I guess it's about time to put the sleeping bag to use, and this one's designed for minimum comfort but maximum survival. So as long as I survive the night, I'm happy. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so this is a fairly practical, comfortable and waterproof setup, so I'd rate it about a 6.5 out of 10. Definitely glad I tried it, and of course I'm sealed in this big carrier bag, so definitely not going to get wet, going to keep warm, and I bought a couple of jumpers and a few shirts just to make sure it's a comfortable night's sleep. But the motorcycle gear as padding was probably the best idea, and yeah, no complaints. Apart from my food, these candles are taking absolutely forever, and if it carries on, I'm probably going to pinch a few sticks from the woods and speed up the process. So it's been a few hours of candle-powered cooking, and the best I've got is a semi-cooked egg and barely cooked bacon. I think it's time to grab some sticks. So I just threw some sticks in about 2 minutes ago, and that's pretty much cooked. I'd say that's ready to eat. My God, I'm never using candles again. So here's my window. If we just look out my window there, you can see the moon. A perfect end to an imperfect day. Good night. I'm all packed away now, and I didn't really have any intention of making a morning video, but it was so cold last night. I just wanted to share with you my experience in that emergency sleeping bag. So just to give you an idea of how cold it was, the puddles here have just iced over, so it's probably about 0 degrees -1. And in the emergency sleeping bag, it's still surprisingly warm. So for £2, that's definitely a purchase you want to get and keep under your seat. You never know if you're going to break down in the middle of nowhere. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.